Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Gemini code assist in VS Code. So first I will open the VS Code and then I will go to the extension section and then I will look for an extension called Gemini code assist, and then afterwards I will click this extension and I will click install and just click this and it will automatically install this Gemini Code Assist extension. Look, the installation is in progress. It will take some time to complete. So the extension has been installed after taking some time. Now I'm going to go to the Gemini Code Assist. Click this and then I will click sign in. After that I will go to open, click open, and then I'm going to go and select my Gmail account and then sign in. After that I will have to just wait, and now okay, now let me just go to VS Code again, um, connecting to Gemini Code Assist. It will take few moments, just wait and be patient. Now we are connected. Now you can ask any question to Gemini, like for instance, please create hello world Python script, and just click and it will automatically create the Python script for you. Look, the tool has been connected. Look, it has been connected. So that's it. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.